Here are the answers to the quick pathology quiz. The first case was a liver biopsy from a patient with multiple scattered, incidentally found white nodules in the liver, and this is a von Meyenberg complex. This is a biliary hamartoma, and the link to the video about von Meyenberg complex is above. The second case was a male of 45 with painful crusted erosive patches in the armpits, and this skin biopsy shows features of Hailey-Hailey disease. And the link to the video about Hailey-Hailey disease is above. The third case was a male of 45 from Sierra Leone with a lump above the scapula, and this lesion in the subcutaneous tissue is multiceps or Taenia multiceps, and this is a type of tapeworm. The link to the video about Taenia multiceps is above. The fourth case was a patient with watery diarrhea, and this colonic biopsy shows features of collagenous colitis. The link to the video about collagenous colitis is above. This is the kidney from a female of 46 with renal failure whose father had a renal transplant. This is an example of autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease. And the link to the video about autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease is above.